Alright guys, so I got this router table insert plate. It's pretty inexpensive from Amazon. It's about 40 bucks, so we're going to get into this and see if it's worth 40 bucks. Here's the plate. It's a decent thickness. This one comes with a depth gauge. It does have this fence with a port for dust collection and a couple of inserts for the circle right here. And I can tell you right off the bat that this fence is not square. You can tell it's kind of bent right here. Straight out of the box it's bent, so it's not going to work. We're going to have to probably make our own fence to get this to work. We're going to go ahead and find the center of this piece of wood. I'm going to go ahead and put some tape down because I'm going to make a little jig on top of here for the router bit to clean out the inside. Okay, to get this set right, the plate needs to go on top of the template and it needs to be lowered until it just touches the table wood underneath. And since I'm using this 1/2 inch flush trim bit with the bearing, it should be able to pick up the same angles as the plate. Now I'm just going to move these to the inside of what I just routed out and hot glue them in place. And then go with another flush trim bit router all the way through and cut out this inside square. I'm going to attempt to do this in 2 passes because routers are scary. There you go guys, the inside has been removed. Hopefully it fits in there perfectly. A tight fit, but that's how you want it. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove this top plate and use it as a template on here so that I could drill new holes, because these holes don't line up with this router I want to use. I don't really know a good way to center this, so I'm just going to try my best. So I put my marks where I wanted to drill the holes on the bottom of the plate, and I failed to check the top of the plate, and I ended up drilling a hole right where this T-track slot was. So now I have to re-drill the holes. Everything ended up working out in the end, and I was able to use it for the project I needed it for.